Today we're delving into why your Apple Pencil's text blinks on an iPad and how to address it. The main culprit behind this issue is often a depleted battery. Over time, as the Apple Pencil ages, its battery performance diminishes, ultimately leading to failure. Extended periods of inactivity can accelerate this process. Consequently, rather than functioning normally, the stylus displays blinking text when used on an iPad. Unfortunately, the solution to this problem is quite limited. Apple Pencil batteries cannot be replaced or serviced, leaving you with the only option of purchasing a new one. However, if your pencil malfunctions within the 1-year warranty period, Apple may offer a replacement. Here's a guide on how to initiate a warranty claim for a new Apple Pencil. Begin by visiting apple.com link provided in the description. Select your region and country, then review the specific warranty claim details. Make sure you have proof of purchase available throughout the process. Follow the outlined procedure to submit your warranty claim. Upon receiving your new Apple Pencil, ensure it remains adequately charged to avoid similar issues in the future. And with that, we conclude our troubleshooting journey. Thank you for joining us, and until next time.